ako ng isang malinis, marangal at epektibong pamamalakad. At sa patuloy na hidwaan ng sanggunian at ng gobernador, sa patuloy na kawalan ng tiwala ng mga alkalde at pamunuan ng barangay sa liderato ng Kapitolyo, at sa pasakit na dulot ng maling pamamalakad ng gobernador, ang taong bayan ay nagtatanong, ano ang alternatibo tungo sa tunay na pagbabago?
Governor Ed Panlilio has a problem with the Vice Governor. Governor Panlilio has a problem with the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Governor Panlilio has a problem with the municipal mayors. Governor Panlilio has a problem with the media. Governor Panlilio has a problem with the barangay captains. Governor Panlilio has a problem with the former supporters. Governor Panlilio has a lot of problems. No, Governor Panlilio is the problem. So how do you solve the problem? Remove the problem.
Maya pabengi kay Kongan po. Welcome to another episode of Talking Points. This is Attorney Butch Hamon and the topic for tonight, Reform, Resign, Recall. Nano ba talaga tol? And of course, with me is none other than my partner, Attorney IQ Tuasan. Partner.
Maya pabengi po.
Maya pabengi.
Maya pabengi po kareng Manalbe. Maya pabengi tol.
Maya
Nano ba?
pabengi.
Nano ba talaga
Wapin eh. Reform, Recall, Resign. At lula rin eh.
Ninong mamili dapat?
Siyempre,
Ninong papamilyan tamo?
Din ka pala tamo, natural.
Okay.
Ano ko tang, nino yung pa-recall, nino yung pa-resign, nino waring pa-reforma tamo.
Ketang resign medyo,
Nino yan?
yata makapoint kayong metong.
Tama
Itang
ka
recall, we know more or less.
Siyempre.
Nino ne.
Wow.
Reform, yarin kayong metong.
Sige, kung tantamo siguro
Let
po
us see, but we will not answer that. We will ask the guests to answer the question.
Okay.
Okay, mag-umpisa tayo na po magkulang ta oras.
Okay.
First on the list po ay buriing guest sa ini.
Definitely.
Marakalya po share kaya katamo karas kening pakibat kening nano ba talaga tol? Reform, resign, recall. Please welcome the former board member of the 3rd District of Pampanga and President of Kapanalig at Kambilan ning Memalen, Pampanga o Kambilan Incorporated. Please welcome Engineer Ross V. Henson.
Maya pabengi. Kumpari.
Maya pabengi po kaya kayo nga na tatambuts at imang IQ.
Paano mo pa na ko sabihan kaya? He is the best governor that the province
Never had.
Talaga naman
I have never dreamed of that. I just
How humble.
I just dream of a better Pampanga.
Talaga. This is the first time I'm meeting him, partner. Yes, I saw him on TV many days back. Sabi ko, ay kagaling nang mag-explain. Ito pala yung Ross V. Henson. Very clear.
That's right.
Let us clarify some more detang haklaro. Yan yung Benny.
Recall, partner. Why recall?
How do we call you engineer?
Rosby
Engineer
po,
B
Rosby.
and
Rosby.
Rosby. Okay.
Rosby.
Reform, resign, recall. Baluta mo kay mamuntukan kitang call
Recall.
for the governor. Ay na, recall na. Recall. Petition for recall.
Why recall?
Well, muna i-lay down kaya pa yung argument or the foundation of my position. Naman lingad kay nga buong Pampanga. Tinukikot may ngampanya kung todo kang Lilia Pineda.
Okay.
Former board member and former mayor. Because I wanted some change in leadership in the province of Pampanga. Being a former board member and a former acting vice governor, I felt Pampanga deserved a better kind of leadership. So, karenge ganagananganak ning Pampanga, sasabihan dang potential governor, Lilia Pineda yang may linibutad. Ketang panahon na ita because nobody dared to fight the incumbent. So, kay ba't kung may kipag-dialogue o karela, after clarifying a lot of points, I was convinced na tuki ko kayong kampanya. Na I campaign hard. More than 6 months, pemuntalan milareng ganaganang sulok ng Pampanga, consultation, caucus, kampanya. Masadtinging response. But then, of course, in baluta mo, in politika, dynamic yan, very fluid. 45 days before the official start of the campaign, linagay yamong ed. And keng demokrasya, everybody is welcome.
Of course.
Ngayon, sumangid na nin pamangampanya mi, mi swerchan mi proklama. Kung sasabihan may sambutya, mi swerchan mi proklama, ano pa ta, mi swerchan mi dinan pamikatagon, maging leader antimong gobernador.
Rosby, itang nilubi among ed keng
Picture.
campaign. Did it really surprise your group? Was it really a big surprise?
It's not really a surprise kasi balo mi na tinaking daramdaman kanita, the so-called civil society.
Kasi isipan mo, 6 months na kayo mga kampanya.
Wow.
And then, 45 days before the election, bigla yung nilubi among ed.
It's not really a surprise considering na balo mi naman na ating grupong mag-form looking for alternatives. Balo mo na kanita, sasabihan da,
A third option.
choosing between two evils, so maninto lang third option. But that is the prerogative of the Kapampangan. The more choices we have, the better for Pampanga. Siyempre, kampanya may masalesing paniwalan mong kandidatong makakayap kayong probinsya. And so
I just would like to ask this question, Rosby. If given a choice at that time, would you have switched your loyalties
ano,
or
keng 29 years ko keng politics, I have never done that.
okay.
Pakapag-aralan kaya pa mo nung nukaring ko makisangga at nukaring ko talakad.
Okay.
Pota nga panigaralan ko ne. Karina ako mitomba, karina ako tigdo pa si bayo.
Pero kaya tapong puntong ay ita, because you said earlier, you were trying to look for somebody who could really lead Pampanga.
Yes.
And you know, usher in changes na.
Yes.
At that point na Lino Bigob na. We knew that, we knew
45
at that
days
time
before.
na Lilia Pineda po, yan talagang palagay yung makapagbayo kayong Pampanga. Niyang Lino Bigob,
Among all available leaders of Pampanga.
Yes.
Why? Because Lilia Pineda has been in public service for 19 years. 9 years municipal
Vice-
mayor.
Vice Mayor?
No,
May vice mayor
9
pa,
years
no?
municipal mayors, municipal mayor, and then 6 years senior board member, plus mid-consilya pa. In all those 19 years, masalesing kayang performance as an executive and as a member of the legislative.
Okay.
Buri ko sabihan, she is ready to assume the governorship from day one. Ene manigaral.
okay. Niya po Lino Bigob, did it ever cross your mind na he could be a good alternative also?
Well, alwaya ko yung taong mag-judge kanita because ko yung paniwala ko, Lilia Pineda is the most qualified candidate.
Sa kahit
Nino
may
man-
decision ka, Rosby, at that time, alapit kayong picture ni Gob eh.
And then, alay ko yung picture, and then hanggang Lino Bia yung picture later on.
Nakamanibay.
Ako manibay because with all due respect to Governor Panlilio, alaya kasing experience kayong governance. Maybe may lead yung aliwang organization, may ganyang parish priest, but it is a totally different culture or environment in public service.
Munta tayo na kitang grounds for
Okay,
recall.
now.
Lack of confidence.
Okay, now. Uling nga sinambutin ka na akong ating linuklok kay Governor Panlilio. Somehow, atin namang change sa pantunan. May pipalitan niya itang makaluklok ka governor. I was hoping, I crossed my finger, sana naman inungnining may proklama will live up to the expectations of the people.
Exactly.
So what I did, menaimi ko. Eyo ko ikit magsalita keng television, eyo ko may quote keng dyaryo, eyo ko may guest speaker keng nanuman, umpukan. I never said